So today I will tell you about this Git. What is Git? I will in this video I will make some highlight the key aspect of the Git. So Git is basically the global information tracker system. It is used for the development purpose to make our code available throughout the team. So this is the definition of Git. Git is basically the global information tracker as a tool. It is a tool for the version control of the code, and it is used for the code management. It allows developers to track changes to their code bases and collaborate with others, easily manage different versions of their project. There are various importance and key aspects of this Git, but it is the essential tool. Main work is for the creation of branches so that each developer can work uniquely without any dependency in the development process. Is a popular and wide is spread adoption make it easier for the software developers in effectively managing their code base, collaborating with others. So using this Git, we can work together from anywhere in the world. We don't have to be together physically to work as a team. I'm sitting here, you are sitting there, or anyone sitting anywhere around the world can collaborate in a single project using the Git only. Without Git, we can't work as a team in a single project. So there are various usage and importance of this Git. Like it will maintain the full history of the project, who committed the code, when it was committed, line by line changes. It is shown. Even though we can also revert to the previous version of a project if something wrong is committed, so we can revert our changes to. In the Git, basically there are three stages: modified, staged, and committed. Modify simply means that we are working in a local system and the code is yet to be committed. Staged means that we just add the files for the committed using the git add commands. In the coming upcoming videos, I will tell you about many commands we use in the Git, common day-to-day commands that everyone should be know. So second one is the stage, which means we just make our changes in our local branch using the git add and git commit. And last one is the committed, means our changes need to be pushed to the remote. So I also make some graphical representation that will elaborate this process much easier way. So Git mechanism basically consists of three stages: working directory, staging area, and Git repository. These all are the part of the local repository. The more simplified version of this diagram I make in the next slide, that is this one. This is the local repository where we usually work. These are the containers we can guess something in our mind to make uh, understanding of Git easier. It's a working directory. It's a staging area. Third is the repository or head. Staging sometimes also called as an indexing area. When we use the git add command, it will move our changes from working to the staging, and when we do the git commit, it will make our changes available to the next step. And when we push these changes, then it will move to the remote branch like GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLens, or and it could be anything. So that's all from this video, and in the next video, I will tell about the most common commands that we need to use in our day-to-day work for development. That's all.